Found a PSSTAT file related to PowerShell and unsure of its function? This is a status tracking file for PowerShell operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these PowerShell status files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful PSSTAT file inspection tool. PSSTAT files are status tracking files associated with PowerShell scripting environments or specialized PowerShell-based applications. They store execution state progress information, operation logs, and runtime data used by PowerShell scripts and modules to maintain context across sessions or track long-running automation tasks. PSSTAT files use a structured text or XML format, storing PowerShell session state script, execution status variable values, and operation timestamps. The format may follow CLXML serialization for complex objects or use simple key value pairs for basic state tracking, depending on the originating PowerShell script or module implementation. Microsoft maintains the integrity of the PSSTAT specification through PowerShell ISE. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows allows editing, but values should be modified only with a solid understanding of their purpose. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the PSSTAT file and select Open With. If PowerShell ISE is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that associates the file. We've established this file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in PowerShell. Open PowerShell ISE or Visual Studio Code with PowerShell extension to inspect PSSTAT files. For CLXML formatted files, use import clicksml cmdlet to deserialize the content into PowerShell objects. The cmdlet reconstructs the original objects, allowing review of stored state information using standard PowerShell object inspection commands. Next, reading as text. Open PSSTAT files in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view contents directly. Text-based or XML PSSTAT files reveal status information in human-readable format. This approach works for diagnosing script issues or understanding stored state without running the originating PowerShell script for context. Finally, continuing script execution. Identify the PowerShell script that created the PSSTAT file and rerun it to continue or complete the tracked operation. The script reads the PSSTAT file, resuming from the saved state. This pattern is common in long-running automation tasks that survive system reboots or session interruptions in enterprise environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.